Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to pin notes in Standard Notes step by step. Pinning important notes helps keep frequently used information at the top of your notes list, making it faster to access your most important content. So, let's get started. First, open the Standard Notes app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, browse your notes list and locate the note you want to keep easily accessible. Next, open the note by clicking or tapping on it. Depending on the version of Standard Notes you're using, look for a pin, favorite, star, or more options menu that allows you to prioritize the note. If a pin option is available, select Pin Note or the equivalent command. The note will move to the top of your notes list or into a pin section, making it much easier to find without searching through all of your notes. If your current version or editor doesn't support pinning, you can create an alternative workflow by using tags, special prefixes in note titles, or custom sorting features to keep important notes easy to locate. This provides a similar result, even if a dedicated pin feature isn't available. Finally, refresh your notes list or reopen the app to verify that your important note remains in its preferred position according to your selected organization method. And that's it. You now know how to pin important notes in Standard Notes or use alternative organization methods when pinning isn't available. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next